But if you want to file your taxes for free, you absolutely have some options. And so I'm going to run through those options with you. The very first option is called the IRS Free File. This is a tax preparation software that is available where the only requirement or one of the requirements is that your adjusted gross income has to be $79,000 or less. Right? The great thing about the IRS Free File software is that the products are in English, the products are in Spanish. It will help you take advantage of some of the more popular tax credits like the earned income tax credit or the child tax credit, right? And so it doesn't matter whether you are an individual filing or if you're a married couple filing, as long as you meet their eligibility requirements, you can use the IRS Free File, even if you have a more complicated tax return. So this is for that filing your federal income taxes. But most times what I'm seeing is that you still might have to pay a small fee in order to electronically file your state taxes. But you can do it from your phone, from your computer, from a tablet. So it's called IRS Free File. And you can just Google that and go right to it. Now, for the very first time, the IRS is offering a pilot program called IRS Direct File. Okay. And so, again, it's free. This is what's new about this is you can file directly with the IRS. Many of the free programs, you have to go through a third party company or a third party software platform, but this is you filing directly with the IRS. And so the stipulations on this one are um, a little tighter, right? So the great thing is they give you step-by-step guidance. You can get live online support directly from an IRS staff member. The refund, or if you owe and have to make a tax payment, you can do that directly online. But this is a pilot program. So they're going to limit the number of credits and deductions that you can take. So if you are someone where you don't qualify for these credits, you don't qualify for certain deductions, then it's not a problem. And for the 2023 tax year, it's only being offered in Arizona, California, Florida, Massachusetts, Nevada, New Hampshire, New York, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Washington, and Wyoming. So, of course, those that excludes several people. But if you want to try out this pilot program, it's called IRS Direct File, and you can Google that and take advantage of it. All right. Number three, the third option, if you are a military family, right? This is active in the military. If you are a military retiree, if you are an eligible veteran, one program that's offered through the Department of Defense is called MilTax, and it's an online software. And you can use it to prepare and file your federal tax returns electronically for free. And the great thing about using this software is that it will allow you to file up to 3 state returns for free. So that's fantastic. Now, the fourth and final option, if you are looking to save money during this tax season, is that you can get in person tax filing help by visiting one of the many VITA VITA centers, right? VITA stands for Volunteer Income Tax Assistance, and they will give you free one-on-one help, right? This is offered across the nation, and it's usually they target the centers really in low income areas, or they really promote it to our elderly citizens. But if you need help, if you want help, you can go to any of these centers. And all you have to do is look up VITA, Volunteer Income Tax Assistance. And I used to participate in this program as a college student. So going to North Carolina A&T in Greensboro, North Carolina, I was a accounting major. And one of the volunteer activities that we did as accounting majors, knowing that we were going to go into this field, we helped people complete their federal tax returns for free on campus. So even if you are a college student, your campus may have the business school majors volunteering and participating. And don't worry, they have to go through training. So they are trained on the forms that need to be filled out. They have someone from the IRS that they can call if they run into any issues. But this is one way to get some free 101 tax preparation help this season. So I hope you found these 4 recommendations helpful. Here's to saving money this tax season and getting it done.